Wheat is harvested at full maturity to produce the flour for the pizza dough. The harvested grain is transferred to storage silos for cleaning and drying.
The grain is cleaned to remove impurities before milling. The grain is milled into fine wheat flour used for the dough.
Fresh milk is collected to produce the mozzarella cheese topping. The milk is rapidly cooled to preserve freshness before cheese production.
Ripe tomatoes are harvested for the pizza sauce.
The tomatoes are washed thoroughly before processing. Seasoned meat is formed to create the pepperoni topping. The formed meat is slowly cured to develop texture and flavor. Olives are pressed to extract oil used in dough and sauce preparation. The milled flour is packaged and transported to the pizza production facility. Raw ingredients arrive at the production facility for processing. All ingredients are inspected to ensure quality and consistency. The flour is transferred into automated systems for dough production. Measured flour is prepared as the primary component of the pizza dough.
Filtered water is precisely measured to hydrate the flour.
Active yeast is prepared to initiate fermentation. Salt and olive oil are added to balance structure and elasticity.
The ingredients begin blending into a cohesive dough mass.
Mechanical mixing develops the gluten network for structure. Temperature is monitored to maintain fermentation control.
The dough rests to begin controlled fermentation. Yeast activity causes the dough to expand naturally.
The fermented dough is portioned for individual pizza bases.
Each portion is shaped into a smooth dough ball.
The dough balls enter a proofing chamber for final rise. The final proof enhances lightness and elasticity.
Each pizza base is inspected for uniform thickness and shape. Tomatoes are sorted to ensure uniform ripeness and quality. The tomatoes are crushed to extract pulp for sauce preparation.
Seeds and excess solids are removed to create a smoother base.
The tomato puree is gently heated to develop flavor and thickness. Herbs and seasonings are added to balance the sauce profile.
The sauce is refined to achieve consistent texture. The sauce is cooled to the optimal application temperature.
Viscosity is tested to ensure even spreading on the base.
The prepared base moves into position for sauce application. A measured portion of sauce is deposited onto the dough base. The sauce is evenly spread, leaving the raised crust exposed. The sauce layer is inspected for uniform coverage and thickness.
The cheese is shredded into uniform strands.
A uniform layer of mozzarella is applied over the sauce.
The cured pepperoni is sliced into thin, uniform rounds.
Pepperoni slices are evenly distributed across the cheese surface.
The assembled pizza is inspected before pre-baking. Each pizza is weighed before baking to confirm accurate portioning and topping distribution.
The pizza enters a controlled oven for partial baking. Heat partially melts the cheese while maintaining structure. The structure is thermally stabilized before rapid freezing, locking in consistent proportions and texture. The pizza exits the oven partially baked and stabilized. The product is cooled before deep freezing.
The pizza enters a blast freezer for rapid stabilization.
Rapid freezing locks the structure and preserves freshness. Core temperature is verified to ensure complete freezing.
The stabilized frozen pizza advances to packaging.
A safety scan ensures product integrity before packaging. The frozen pizza is precisely centered before final packaging to ensure consistent presentation.
A protective film is sealed around the frozen pizza. The film is heat sealed to create an airtight barrier. The frozen surface is checked to ensure stability after sealing.
Cardboard boxes are formed to protect the product during distribution.
The frozen pizza is placed into its protective box.
The box is closed and secured. Individual boxes are grouped into shipping cartons.
Cartons are stacked onto pallets for transport. The pallets are stored in frozen conditions before shipment.
Frozen pizzas are loaded into refrigerated transport.
The product is transported under controlled temperature conditions.
The frozen pizzas are stocked in retail freezers. A customer selects a frozen pizza for purchase.
The pizza remains frozen until preparation.
The oven is preheated before cooking the frozen pizza.
The frozen pizza is removed from its packaging before baking. The protective film is removed before placing the pizza in the oven. The frozen pizza is placed into the preheated oven.
Heat melts the cheese and reactivates the toppings. The crust browns evenly as the pizza completes its final bake in the oven. The pizza is removed once fully cooked.
The pizza rests briefly to stabilize texture.
The pizza is sliced into even portions.
A single slice is lifted, revealing the melted cheese texture and evenly baked crust. The cross-section shows the layered structure of the pizza.
The pizza is enjoyed immediately after baking.
The finished pizza is served fresh and warm. The pizza is shared and enjoyed.
Only 2 slices remain after serving.
From raw ingredients to the final slice, the frozen pizza completes its journey.